name is Allie Henderson, and I'm a student assistant in the Digital Humanities Center at San Diego State University. This video is part of a series of tutorials on how to use Scalar. If this is your first time hearing of or using Scalar, I invite you to explore our other tutorials and slideshow guides on Scalar. In this video, we will incorporate internal and external links into our Scalar project. Adding internal and external links to our Scalar book will allow readers to explore other websites and online resources outside of our work, or easily travel to different pages within the work. This can be helpful if we want to link to more resources for further reading on your project topic, include links to the sources in your bibliography, link other web pages in a syllabus, or enhance a piece of eLit or hypertext fiction. An external link, also known as a hyperlink, is one that, when clicked on, takes the user to another website outside of Scalar. An internal link only links to pages or media within the Scalar project. Alright, so this is the homepage of Scalar, so the first thing we're going to do is click on the project that we want to work on. And then we're going to find the page that we want to add a link to. So I want to add it to this page. Once you're there, to add the link, we're going to click on this edit icon in the top right-hand corner. And then you're going to find the words or word that you want to make the link. So I want my link to be Digital Humanities Initiative. So I'm going to highlight that phrase. Now, to make it an external link, I'm going to click on this gray chain link icon. Once you've clicked on that, it's going to open up this small window, and you're going to be able to paste your URL into the text box. So to do that, you're going to go to your website. You're going to copy the URL. It's going to be at the top of the screen. You're going to return to Scalar, and then you're going to paste that URL into that text box. Now, as you can see here, there is an option to open the link in a new tab. So opening a link in a new tab will allow users to easily return to your Scalar project after they've read the linked page, because both are going to be open at the same time. If you open the link in the same tab, you'll have to press the back button to return to your project. So if you want the user to be able to maneuver back and forth between your links and your Scalar project, I'd recommend opening it in a new browser window by clicking this button. Once you've done that, you're going to click the OK button. Now we can see that the text we've highlighted is blue and underlined. That means that there's a link added. Now that there's a link added, you can scroll all the way down and click Save and View. Now we can see that there's been a link added to the text, and so when you click on it, it'll open up a new tab that takes you, in this case, to the SDSU Digital Humanities website. It is important to know that because external links often redirect users to content that isn't hosted by you, you should make sure that those external websites and resources are available and working properly before including them in your project. To avoid link rot, you should also regularly check the links to keep them updated and ensure they're still accessible. Link rot is hypertext links that are broken. This happens when a web page is moved, taken down, or reorganized. Clicking on a rotten link usually results in a 404 error, which includes a message that the page can't be found. This is why it's so important to regularly check and update the links you include in your projects. Now we are going to insert an internal link to a page within the work so that users can easily access relevant content that you've added or created. The process for linking to an internal path, tag, or media file is very similar to the process for inserting an external link. To do this, you're first going to go to the page that you want to add a link to. I'm going to click on this page. Next, you're going to go to the top right and click on Edit. Once you're here, you're going to find the word or words that you want to turn into your link. So I want the phrase Digital Humanities to become my internal link, so I'm going to highlight it. Once you've highlighted it, you're going to click on this blue chain link icon. This will open a page titled Insert Link to Scalar Content. In the top left, there's a drop-down menu that lets you choose what form of media you'd like to link in your project, whether that be a page, path, tag, etc. Once you've chosen the type of content that you want, you'll be able to see a list of pages that you've created or media that you've uploaded, and you can choose from one of those. In the bottom left-hand corner, there's also a button to create a page on the fly. This is useful if you want your link to direct users to a new page that you've not yet created. So for now, we're just going to click on Pages, and then I'm going to choose one of the pages I've already created. So I'm going to click on this technology page. And that is going to create the link. So as we can see, the text that I highlighted is now blue and underlined, which means there is a link added. And then I'm going to scroll down and click Save and View. And now, as we can see in the text, that internal link has been added, and when you click on it, it takes you to another page within my Scalar project. Now we are going to remove a link that we've already added. This works for both external and internal links. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the Edit button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Then we're going to highlight the link that we want to remove. Then click the Unlink button, which is the icon with a chain link that has an X through it. And now, as you can see, that text no longer is blue or underlined. So then we can scroll down, click Save and View, and then there is no more link. Thank you for watching. We have more tutorials on our website, teachdh.sdsu.edu.